I recently stumbled on a tool that completely changed how I approach my content creation process. It is not a fancy new camera, nor is it an overpriced preset pack that promises cinematic results. Instead, it is an AI tool that actually transforms my long-form videos into ready-to-post viral clips in minutes. At first, I was skeptical, thinking there was no way a machine could beat the hustle of a full-time professional editor. But honestly, it has been saving me hours every single week while keeping my short-form content output incredibly consistent. The tool is called Vizard, and in plain English, it auto-finds the best parts of your long videos. It trims them into attention-grabbing shorts, handles the aspect ratio, and even helps you manage your posting calendar. I first found it while scrolling Instagram, seeing a creator rave about automatic editing, and decided to give it a shot. That might sound like a paid ad, I know, but this tool genuinely fits right into my daily workflow. I used to do everything manually, spending hours watching footage, marking clips, exporting, and wrestling with calendars. Now, I simply upload a long, raw recording, and the system suggests clips that have the highest potential to perform. It is essentially like having a junior editor who already intuitively understands what trending content looks like. Let me walk you through my exact step-by-step process, because this is the specific part that really sold me. First, I throw my raw, long-form video file into the platform and let it do the heavy lifting. It automatically scans the footage to find high-energy moments, emotional beats, and even key punchlines. You do not have to guess where the viral bits are hidden, because the software highlights them for you. It then generates perfectly optimized short clips, ready for platforms like Reels, Shorts, or TikTok. The software even provides crop suggestions so that nothing important gets accidentally chopped out of frame. Honestly, that feature alone is life-changing for creators who are constantly juggling filming and everything else. One of the coolest things is that it does not just cut randomly, it analyzes actual engagement signals. It looks for voice peaks, smiles, laughter, and unique phrases to pick the best spots. That is huge because we all know the hook is the absolute make or break part of any short video. Vizard's approach is smart because it finds the best visual hook so your text overlays actually match the moment. More accurate clipping means fewer retakes and way fewer awkward edits to deal with later. Now, I still use some drag-and-drop title templates in Premiere Pro when I want a specific aesthetic look. Those fancy bundles are amazing. They speed up text animation and give a very polished final look. But honestly, they are completely optional because Vizard removes the need for heavy sessions for every single short. I will export the clips it recommends, add a quick title if I want, or just use the built-in caption tools. If you are an editor who loves total control, keep your templates. If you want pure speed, let the AI lift. I know many people rave about specialized hook generators like GoGhost or even scripts from ChatGPT. Those are useful for sure, but they are often siloed, meaning you get a hook but still have to find the footage. Some of those tools are pretty expensive for what they do, especially when you have hours of raw footage. Vizard bridges that gap by successfully combining clip selection, short editing, and posting workflows into one. So while I might use a hook generator occasionally, Vizard places my best moments front and center every time. Another huge thing is the scheduling aspect, which is a total game changer for maintaining consistency. You can set the posting frequency and let the platform automatically queue all of your clips for you. That auto-schedule feature is exactly what you need if you want to grow without being chained to your desk. With Vizard, I set how often I want content to go out, tweak the captions, and it publishes for me. For creators trying to scale, automated scheduling is the single biggest lever for consistent growth. And the content calendar? That is where it stops being just a tool and starts feeling like a manager. You can see your upcoming posts, rearrange them, add notes, and push updates across multiple platforms. If you are running YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram, having everything in one place saves massive amounts of time. It also helps me plan themes or series by marking clips as part of a sequence for my audience. For my latest project, I actually tried mixing methods by using Vizard for the bulk work. Then, for a few key intros, I pulled a Premiere title bundle and dropped in a quick animation. The result looked handcrafted, but it took only a fraction of the time I usually spend on projects. This hybrid approach of AI-driven clip discovery mixed with manual polish is the absolute sweet spot. You get the best of both worlds, speed and the high quality you expect for your brand. If you want to get more accurate outputs, there is a neat trick involving viral inspiration. Paste the link to a viral TikTok or Reel that has the style you are aiming for into the tool. The AI analyzes that example and tweaks its clip selection or caption tone to match what is trending. The difference with Vizard is it actually pairs the trend with your raw footage to match the rhythm. Pricing-wise, there is a free tier with solid functionality to test the auto edits and scheduling features. There is also a paid tier if you need more exports, higher quality processing, and team collaboration features. If you are experimenting, the free version is more than enough to see how much time you will save. If you scale up, the paid tier supports more frequent scheduling and larger workspaces for your team. I also want to be real about the limitations of this software as you consider your options. Vizard won't write a whole video script for you like a dedicated writing AI, and it won't replace a skilled editor. It is not meant to be a filmmaker's only tool, but it is an incredible assistant for content extraction. It is perfect for podcasts, live streams, tutorials, interviews, and vlogs where you need to find the best moments. If your content needs heavy cinematic cuts, just combine these clips with your manual edits. If your content is about tutorials or interviews, this tool likely covers 80 to 90% of your needs. When I compare this to the old days of fumbling with manual templates, this saves so much creative energy. Instead of spending an entire afternoon just prepping snippets, I get automated suggestions and extra free time. That extra time goes toward making better thumbnails, writing stronger captions, or filming new content. For my recent day in the life project, I uploaded the footage and Vizard suggested 12 potential shorts. I picked 5, added custom overlays, used the title bundle for the intro, and scheduled them for the week. By the end of that week, I saw a massive spike in channel traction and I didn't burn out at all. I have a small community where we share tips for short-form strategies, caption formulas, and thumbnail tricks. If you want to test this, try the free plan, play with the auto edits, and see if it fits your specific style. And remember, don't ditch your favorite editing templates, just use them strategically alongside the AI. If you are trying to grow on YouTube, using short-form content consistently is the #1 lever. Alright, if you found this video useful, hit that like and subscribe button for more workflow tips. Drop a comment telling me what kind of long content you have, and I will share how I would chop it up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.